He's the sweetest thing ever, too.
Just lift it up.
Yes,
Yeah, that's you and... No. Oh my gosh. God. Is he mine? Oh my god. She's so...
It's a kitten. Whoa. Hi, kitty.
You want to pet her? Pet her. Oh, are you scared of her?
Your name is Cupcake. Oh my god, Trevor's a dad and doesn't know it yet. Oh my god, you got a ribbon on. Oh my god. I got a baby to love. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, a cat! Oh my gosh! Sorry I scared you, but... Oh my gosh! Ow!
Guys, be quiet, be quiet. You don't want to scare her.
What's the name?
Evie. She's a girl.
box.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Take a picture.
It's real!
It's real.
Oh my god, she's so pretty!
The one gift that you get to open, okay?
Lift up the lid.
What is it?
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. So cute.
Yeah?
This is my blanket.
Yeah, that's her blankie.
Very careful. Is it little?
It's a kitten.
Can I carry it? Is it a special kind? Oh.
That's a special kind, yeah.
It's a Siberian.
Can you?
Yeah, it's a